Cute little stand-up heart bunnies for Easter.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Makes 12.
Hello everyone, for this recipe you will need a sugar cookie dough recipe. You can use whatever one you want, just make sure that it is a non-spreading cookie, so when you bake it they don't spread out very much. The one I'm going to suggest is one I've used many times, and there'll be a link to that recipe in the description box below. It's a nice sugar cookie recipe, crispy but a little bit tender in the center, not too hard, and you don't have to chill the dough before you work with it. So make up your dough recipe, and then I divided mine into 3 portions. I tinted one kind of a lime green, one a purple color, and then one a pink color. But of course the colors are completely up to you for this. Then you'll place your pieces of dough between sheets of waxed paper or parchment paper, and then roll it out to about 1/4 inch thickness. Then you'll need a heart-shaped cookie cutter, whatever size you want. That'll depend on what size of cookie you have, and cut out some hearts. Now you'll need 3 hearts for each bunny, so just keep that in mind when you're keeping track of the numbers of hearts that you have. Now, it's often a challenge to get these off of the parchment paper without them tearing or changing shape. What I do with mine is I put them on a cookie sheet. I put this right in the refrigerator or the freezer for about 10-20 minutes until it's firm, and they come off really easy. Now, to make the bunnies, you're going to cut one of those hearts in half. You're going to get 2 little teardrop shapes, then take a heart, turn it upside down, and then place the little teardrop shapes underneath. And those will be the bunny ears, and you just press down lightly just so that they're stuck together. Then you bake these at 350 degrees for about 9-10 minutes, just until they're set. You don't want them to get super brown because that'll discolor the cookies. Just a tiny bit of brown on the edges. Then you make up some buttercream frosting after your cookies have cooled, of course, and you're going to just sandwich one heart cookie, plain heart cookie, onto one cookie that has ears. Now if you want to make like a 3D cookie that stands up on its own, then you need to put enough filling in the middle. Here I didn't. It wasn't thick enough. It wouldn't stand up on its own. So I added more frosting in the center. You need enough, so then you add that second cookie on the back of the bunny and you tilt it up that there's enough surface there so that it stands up. Then a little tiny dab of frosting and a little candy, jelly bean, whatever, something that matches the color of the cookie. Turn it over and then just pipe on some eyes using some black frosting. This frosting comes in a tube, and all you have to do is attach your tip on it, and it works really well. And that is a completed little bunny cookie. So as you can see, you have different colors, and you can see the frosting in the middle. Now what you can do is you can use frosting that is tinted the same color as the cookie if you want. And that way you won't see the white underneath the tail like that. You won't see the white in the middle, but that's up to you. And it's a nice, really quick little thing that you can make with the kids if you want for Easter, and you can put them in little gift bags. These little bunnies are going to go in my Easter playlist. I have quite a few recipes on my Easter playlist that you may want to check out, including these little Easter cake pops and this Easter cheesecake. Thank you for watching.